girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
What's up guys? You know, it's your girl Shanz night and I am back with another video. In this video I will be doing the Rihanna side bang. So I was inspired by Rihanna look, so look at this picture right here, and that's what I am going to do today. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. So what we'll be doing today, that's what I will be doing today guys. Well, my hair is freshly washed, so I'm removing my wrap strips. So if you guys see me looking over here, my mirror is right here, so that's what I'm doing. So my hair is freshly washed. This is my hair guys, you know my hair. So this is it. So guys, you see my eyebrows, my husband did it, and my lashes. He did my lashes for me. Yes, he did the single lashes. Yes, he did this for me. So he was the one who did my eyebrow and my lashes for this video. I did a video on it, so you guys, I don't think I did any video. No, I didn't catch the lashes because I didn't thought of recording that. But then when I saw that he was doing really good as it relates to my eyebrow, I had to catch it on camera. So that's what I'm about to do today guys. So I'm just parting out my hair, as you can see. So up this side is part and this side is part. So this is it. And then this side. So I did not put anything in my hair because I don't want the glue to be running in my hair, so I didn't put anything in my hair. So I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I will just be showing you guys what I do, so stay tuned. guys, this is the end of my video. I think I went a little bit overboard than Rihanna. But that's just me. I'm loving my side bang. I'm using Brazilian Straight. That's what is in it now, Brazilian Straight. So that's what I use to make the bang. It's not new hair, it's hair that I have already used. So I just wash it and reuse it. But I'm loving it. And I think I did a pretty good job. What you guys think? I think I did a really pretty good job. In comparison to, I think I went overboard and Riri, but that's more. What do you guys think? You know, I have to give my signature pose. It's really nice though. I love it. I love it. Here. And to maintain this hair, all you need is just your flat iron. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share this video. So this is how I do my Rihanna side bang. Shut up and drive, 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 drive. Bye bye.